Bringing your machine in for service regularly will certainly save you from frustrations of a machine breakdown. This is called the Preventive Maintenance Schedule. Want to know more about Dressta PMS and why it is important for your machine? Watch this short video to find out. Dressta Genuine Oil Filter. Crucial job of filtering the oil that lubricates the components of your Dressta engine. Keep contaminants out of the engine to preserve your Dressta engine. You don't follow your scheduled gauge of oil filter. The filter can become severely clogged, reducing the volume of oil passing through the filter and into your Dressta engine. The impact of clogged or dirty oil filter. You may not realize it until it is too late and your engine has been damaged. As a safeguard to oil filter clogging, replacing Dressta oil filter on or before PM schedule with genuine Dressta oil filter. Contact your service engineers now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and informative videos.